Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Riding a motorcycle gives riders a sense of freedom on the open road. It helps them travel from point A to point B instantly, even in the heavy traffic scenarios in the Philippines. However, there are serious dangers involved in riding without a helmet. Motorcyclists need to take extra precautions to protect their body. The most important place to start is by protecting the head. The head and brain is most vulnerable to injury in a motorcycle accident. Here are some helmet designs offered by Blade Auto Center to keep you safe at the road and at the same looking fashionable. Crafted with quality and excellent designs. Helmets not just for protection, but for the cool look. Are you a fan of black sleek designs while having the comfort and convenience of a clear road visibility? Why not a furious red colored helmet with the need for speed look while having great comfort at the same time? How about another stylish black colored helmet to your taste? There are a wide variety of helmet designs which could fit your taste. It's never a bad idea to ride in style. Drop by at Blade Auto Center today and check out great helmet deals or shop online at www.blade.ph. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.